everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Honey and you're watching Forever Code with Honey, where you can learn different coding languages, UI UX designing, web designing, and graphic designing, and all of this at one place. So let's get into the video. Hey, I'm launching a free course for learning graphic designs from basics. Yes, you heard it right, it is free of cost. And you will be a good graphic designer by completing this course. As it is 2021, the designer jobs are in trend. So what are you waiting for? Go and check out the link given in the description box and do follow all the videos of this series to become a graphic designer. So we will be covering the different projects that the graphic designers are working on. We will be covering the projects that are logo designing, book, magazine covers, poster, flyers, brochures, social media graphics, website designing, product packaging, infographics and t-shirt printing. And if I have left any other topic related to this series, if you have any other suggestions to this series, do comment below and let know, so I will be making a video on that also. And do follow all the videos of this series to become a graphic designer, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos and do hit the bell icon for the notification.